Araw-araw ikaw lang, everyday, only you. Gusto ko kitang makita, I want to see you. Lunes ang sobrang ganda mo, Monday you're so beautiful, Martes ikaw lang walang iba, Tuesday just you, no one else. Miyerkules laging magkasama tayo, Wednesday we're always together, Huwebes ikaw lang ang mundo ko, Thursday you're my only world. Biyernes tayo ay masaya, Friday we are so happy, Sabado tawa ng tawa, Saturday just laugh.